First thing I want to talk about today is that trading is actually a skill. So you don't need a degree, you don't need to be educated, you just have to be open-minded and be willing to learn. Trading is a skill. So just like every other skill out there that you can acquire, you need to be patient and actually learn how to trade. But some people just want to make money.
I can't get out of the fucking screen! Let me out of the goddamn inventory screen! What the fuck? Why can't I get out? Oh my god!
So when I actually got to understand that, I stopped focusing in the money, make money quick and everything. So I started focusing on learning actually what trading is and acquiring the skill. The second thing I want to talk about is that you actually need to have an edge. A lot of persons don't actually have a particular trading strategy they use. An edge is just like literally your trading strategy. So having a particular trading strategy that you should stick to, and then not a lot of persons just keep changing their trading strategy over and over again. They're sticking to one particular strategy that has been back tested in a live market or even a demo account. Just back testing this trading strategy and know that this strategy actually works in the long run. One thing that actually helped me in my trading is actually stop using indicators. Most traders, they use a lot of indicators, stochastics, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku clouds, name them. There are a lot of indicators. So it just eventually lead to this analysis paralysis, because you look at your chart and you don't actually know how to read price action because you don't actually know what's going on. Rather, you start blaming your indicators that, okay, maybe this thing didn't cross over, the EMAs did not cross over, and the rest. Taking all those indicators away and actually trying to understand how to read price, which is price action. You could maybe use one or two indicators actually. Maybe use it as a confluence or maybe for confirmation. That would be better, but not you using an entire indicators, even different indicators as your main strategy. That won't be helpful for your trading. Another thing that actually helps me is actually journaling, actually having a trading journal. It might be an online journal. For me, I use Notion. I think you guys should know Notion, or you can just search it on Google, Notion website. So I use a Notion journal that I just document my trading. I call it end of day markups, which is my EOD markups. So I document my trading on a daily basis. Like every trade I take every day, I document them. I trade GBP USD. I document my trade every day, all the opportunities, both the ones and the opportunities I missed, the opportunities I take, even the losses and everything. Document your winning trades. If you start documenting this, your winning setups, it will help you go back to those winning setups. Even when you have some losing streak, you can go back to those winning setups to actually look at what a winning setups look like, so you can able to replicate those setups. If you have this series of winning setups that you've journaled before on your journal, so you can look back at them. It can help you engrave these winning trades and winning setups in your subconscious. Whenever you see these winning setups playing out, you can easily take them again. It will also help you know if you are getting better. When you look at your past trades or past failed setups you took, and maybe you are learning some new stuff, it will help you actually see how much progress you have made. So that's how you keep track of your progress. So another thing is that you need to be patient as a trader, because trading is a whole lot. No rush. Don't rush this trading, because it takes time to actually be able to build or even have a strategy in the first place. It will actually make your journey a little less stressful if you have a mentor. Let's say if it's going to take you 3 years to become a profitable or constant trader before, now it might take you a year or 2 years. So if you have a mentor to actually guide you in the right path, it will actually also help you move fast in your journey. So it's not always all about the trading strategy. You might have the best strategy in the world, but if you don't actually have a good mindset, or if you don't know how to manage your emotions, you won't actually become a profitable trader.
We ain't stopping. Nigga, we winning. How the label doing this shit?
So psychology plays like 70% of it. 70% of your trading is all about your mindset, your psychology. If you actually have a plan, it will be very easy for you to manage your psychology and your mindset or your emotions in trading. Because let me give you guys a hint on how I manage my emotions in trading. So I have an edge. I have a plan that I work with. So every morning, do my daily forecast. I check areas of maybe demand and supply where I actually want to trade from, and then I set price alerts. So when I set price alert, I don't look at the chart 24/7 or staying on my screen 24/7 to find opportunities. A lot of traders do that, and the primary goal of trading initially was that we actually want this freedom. We don't want to work for anybody. How can you get that freedom when you are stuck on your screen for 24 hours of a day? freedom. If you don't actually have that time, if you are watching your screen 24 hours of the day, come on, that's no longer freedom. You are literally stuck. It's even worse than 9 to 5 at that moment. It's actually worse than that. So you don't want to be stuck on your screen 24/7. That's why you need to have a plan. You need to have a trading plan. When you wake up in the morning and then you do your daily forecast, you set price alerts. Let's say you have a POI, a points of interest that you're looking at, or you're looking to sell from, or you're looking to buy from. So you set a price alert. Then when price gets to that place, you don't need to be watching your chart, or so you not get fear of missing out. Price might come very close to your demand level now, and then you just rush. Okay, I don't want to miss out on this opportunity, and then you rush and you click the buy button.
Hey, Fables.
Holy shit.
And all of a sudden you are stopped at, and then price came to your zone and moved to your direction. And let's say it came to your zone now, but you're already feeling reluctant that okay, you've already taken the loss, you are sad, and then you end up not taking the main opportunity you're supposed to. Not looking at the chart 247 can help you eliminate some of the emotional stress of trading. So set your price alert, wait for price to get to your level, and then that's when you should be concentrated or focused on the chart. Already, I wake up 6 a.m., do my analysis, get ready for trading and everything. So by 7 a.m., I'll check my news. If I have any news events coming, if there's any news event coming, I will set alarms for those news events. So I will know if I should take any trades during that time, because I normally don't trade during news events. So I will set my price alert and know that by this time, I should not be trading because I don't trade news. I set my price alert, then wait. Throughout that time, I can go out to do anything I have to do for the day. I don't have to be stuck on my screen 247. So when I now get my price alert that, okay, I'll get a notification on my phone that, okay, it is time to go to the chart now to check for opportunities. So if I get that price alert, that's when I'll be on my screen checking for opportunities. Leave the chart. You don't need to be distracted with the chart. It just forces you to make decisions you're not supposed to make. You might see price going up. Every move, people are actually making money. Price is going up or coming down. If you have that mindset that you need to catch every move, you just end up in the trenches. After your price gets hit, that's when you should be on your screen looking for opportunities. You can't always be right as a trader, because we all get losses in the market. There is no profitable trader actually that you can see that actually say that will tell you that I have this holy grail strategy, 90% returns, like 90% strike rate or 99%. I've seen some YouTube channels that will be like 90% win rate. There is no strategy out there that is 90% win rate. All traders take losses. Your ability for you to manage these losses and make your wins be higher than your losses is what makes you a profitable trader. A single trade should never define you as a trader, but rather a series of trades. If you can see in the long run that after taking 10 trades in a row and then you still come out profitable in the long run, is what makes you a profitable trader. You don't need to, you can have a bad month in trading, you can have a losing week, you can have a losing month. It's possible. You need to be realistic with yourself. Another thing in trading is that capital is no longer the problem actually. We have a lot of prop firms out there. Like the two most popular ones I know are FTMO and my Forex ones. These prop firms are actually willing to give you this huge amount of money when you can actually prove to them that you are a consistent trader. Learn the skill, gather every information you need, and then when you finally clicks, even if you are demo trading, or you can just put £100 in an account and then be using it. Don't take it as you need to make money from that trading account actually. You can use it as a testing account or use it to track your progress, to see if you can actually consistently make, let's say, 10% per month, because that is what some prop firms actually require. So let's say if you can actually make 10% per month. If you can make that consistently, you can take FTMO free trial accounts and maybe try it out 10% consistently per month. That is when you know you're actually good to go for fun. So don't focus on you are trying to take $100 account to $200,000 in 2 weeks. You are eventually just going to end up in the trenches for real. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll be dropping more videos as time goes on. So catch you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't just watch my video and then move out. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you guys on another.